Hello everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I will show you how to replace the fan in the PS5. To disassemble the PS5, you will need the following tools. Torx T8 screwdriver with hole inside, plastic opening tools, and tweezers. I also recommend using a magnetic mat and laying out each screw step by step during the disassembly process. The PlayStation 5 has 5 screws of different sizes, and when reassembling, it is very important to screw them into the right place. Due to the magnetic base, the screws will remain on the mat and you will not lose them. In the description, I left links where you can buy all the necessary repair tools. Disassembly of the PS5 begins by removing the top cover, where the optical drive is located. Pull the upper left corner of the case, and after, push the cover to the right. If you are doing everything correctly, the cover should be easy to remove. Disconnect the fan cable. I recommend disconnecting the cable using 2 spadgers. If the fan makes a lot of noise or doesn't work at all, you need to replace the fan. You can buy a new compatible fan for the PlayStation 5 using this part number. Also, in the description, I left a link where to buy a new fan for the PS5. Place the cover on the housing and slide it to the left until it clicks. All told, the whole process only takes a few minutes, so don't be too worried about it. And finally, I recommend my other 2 video instructions, where I show how to disassemble and clean the PS5 from dust. This will help get rid of overheating and increase the life of the game console. And the video where I show you how to restore a PS5 controller after liquid damage. The game controller is the most frequently damaged device from juice or cola, and if this happens, you will know what to do in this case. That's all. You are on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.